can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth. I am Mrs. K. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another vlog. Today is a Thursday morning and my husband are quickly dashing off to Mafikeng. My mom is going to collect something and then my husband and I are my husband is a driver and I'm tagging along because I want Burger King. Oh, and Burger King. So yeah, I just thought let me start off this vlog right here. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. What else do I have to say? Yeah, enjoy the vlog. Finally going to have Burger King. So excited. Guys, I love oh, Burger King. I think I learned yesterday last year for Burger King the drink is the bottomless. I didn't know. I always wondered why people would have a drink and then they go refill. I'm like, what you're doing is illegal. And at that time it's a Burger King thing, so might just do that today. Hey guys.
Jesus, you
Terror.
can take.
After Jesus, you can have it all.
Oh, Jesus, you can. I'll try it. I'll right over there.
Oh, the word Jesus, you can take what, babe?
My life. My orphans.
Okay. Yeah, Jesus can take your life. But you know how that sounds.
Yeah, it's just a bit.
Okay. Okay. Alright guys. Happy Sunday. I'm with my husband and my cousin. You won't see her at the back here. But the last time I talked to you guys was on Thursday when we went to Mafikeng.
Hello, YouTube.
Hi babe. You wanna say hi, Margaret?
Hello, I'm YouTube. Hello.
You sing hello, I'm YouTube. So we're from church. Actually, I did not vlog at all, but we need to do some stuff. My husband is traveling tomorrow, so I'm gonna help him pack, and then we're gonna have a young braai at home later, like for dinner. And yeah, I'll show you guys that. So I need to get like chakalaka, sweet corn, all of that. So yeah, let me start this vlog here. I look pretty cute. I'm wearing this dress that I wore on Christmas Day. I don't look cute.
No, you're saying almost pretty cute.
Oh, so I look cute. Isn't pretty cute?
Pretty cute.
Thank you, baby.
Yes,
Thank you, baby. Yeah, I did my hair this morning. Nice. Husband wants to buy me dang twins because galwan.
In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak.
Please tell me why KFC does not have wings. And they didn't have thighs, so I'm stuck with this piece. Yeah, come on, that. I'm gonna remove my tooth tomorrow. I can't wait. This weekend was literally hell in my life. And I think today was actually better. Last night I slept with I think 4 or 5 cloves in my mouth.
Understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like it's shady, then I see you. And I see you. Baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. And I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now.
Your attention, please, ladies and gentlemen. This is the final call for all passengers issued aboard and passes for Air Botswana. Fly PP 01 to Johannesburg to go through customs and immigration formalities as this flight will be boarding shortly. This is a final call for all passengers issued aboard and passes for
Hey guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. Today is a Saturday. I think I last spoke to you guys okay, I'll do a recap. I don't know if I should do it now or I'm gonna do it as a voiceover, probably as a voiceover, because I think it's gonna make more sense. So it is a Saturday. We're having our Galentines. I think I'm healed now, not fully, but I don't feel like the pain as intensely as I did the past few days, which is why I did not vlog. So we're having our Galentines today. We're going to Notwane for a picnic. Our theme is pink. So I have a dress, I washed it. I'm gonna show you guys later, but right now I'm trying to collect a cake. And then what am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm with my mom. We quickly just dashed out. Lot. How's your? Okay, thank you.
You'll say be content again.
Emma, definitely. Thank you. Oh my god, finally I can talk to you guys. Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog officially. Can't tell the market similar to vlog we were lost, we were collecting the cake. With my mom.
Where's the cake?
Zaza's car. But it's melting, my girl. It's so hot.
Did you put it in the cup in the fridge?
I did. When I got home, I did. Jenny, look, my baby cousin get out of cake. So we got it then. You can imagine a picky elevator on a crazy store, literally. Where I'm going to Zantari cake. Oh my god. Yeah. What? Can we should I change something in my phone? Yeah, no, it's focusing on the wrong things. Let me fix it.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel.
Hey.
I feel like we're
guys,
always in the car.
honestly, we've been saying this lately. We're always in the car.
My boobs on the phone.
We are having our Galentines. Oh my god. I'm so excited, guys. We've been waiting for this day for so long. It's currently 11 minutes to 4. Nando's getting literally the remaining stuff. Thank you. So we are having our Galentines we have a picnic. So I was responsible for the food. I will show you guys what I managed to put together once we get to the venue. So yeah, we have quite a number of things actually. Oh, I managed to get my ring. Oh my god.
Let me see. Thank you, sweetheart. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Oh, what am I looking at?
Okay, it's so straightforward. Hello, how are you?
Oh, good. How are you? We want to have a little picnic.
Guys, it's about to rain. What is this? It's about to rain. Like literally, people are going, and so we're here. Yeah. Hey guys, I am editing this vlog and I realized I don't have an outro. Our Galentines was so beautiful, even though the rain tried to ruin it for us. Honestly, we didn't let that get to us. So we had so much fun. We went to a shade, waited for the rain to pass. It did, and then we went back to cutting the cake and then toasting to, you know, to love, to friendship. So yeah, that's the end of the vlog. If you did enjoy this vlog, please do give it a thumbs up. My husband did arrive safely, if you're wondering. Thank you. I miss him so much. I miss him. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this vlog, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section. And please check if you have subscribed. If you have not, please do subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next week.